Map Man here to talk about one of my favorite aspects of mapping, and that is maps are in 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, and even 4 dimensions. Now the big wide world that we live on, right? We live on this planet, not this one right here, but the planet that's under our feet. We live on a 3-dimensional planet, right? It's not a perfect sphere, it's an oblate spheroid for one thing, so we have to model the accurate shape of the Earth as closely as we can. But we also want to map things in time, over time. Real-time data that's happening right now, weather, earthquakes, tornadoes, etc., oceans, tides. But also, we want to be able to map things over time as they change, like migration, and how rivers change over time, and how earthquakes change in frequency and intensity over time, or hurricanes, or anything else. Or human consumption. How does the consumption of certain goods and services change over time? And how can we effectively meet those needs in a sustainable way? So we're always mapping 2 dimensions, sure, but 3 dimensions and 4 dimensions with time aspects. Now, 3 dimensions, don't just think of topography like modeling the Earth's surface. Other data you can map in 3 dimensions include population. What if a growing area is a mountain and an area that's decreasing population is a valley? Or areas that have a high turnover in the workforce are mountains, and areas that have a low turnover in the workforce are valleys. Or maybe a frequency map of tornadoes in a certain part of the world. Maybe the peaks of the tornado map are more frequent and more severe tornadoes, and the valleys are less frequent or less severe tornadoes. So, lots of things that you can map in 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions, and in 4 dimensions with the time. One of the tools to do that is ArcGIS. That has loads of 2D, 3D, and 4D capabilities, animations, 3D, modeling capabilities, and so on, to help you understand the world in all of its dimensions. That's my message. Maps are 2 dimensions, X and Y, latitude, longitude, but also 3 dimensions and 4 dimensions with the time. Thanks.